Now we will see that clipper. What is clipper? Clipper is a circuit component. It has a component or device which is designed to limit or clip the amplitude of a signal. मीन्स एक सर्किट है जो किसी भी सिग्नल को और उसके एम्पलीट्यूड को लिमिट कर देगा. मीन्स सपोज दिस इज द आवर इनपुट सिग्नल 0 Vm, but we want to signal only Vm by 2. We want the signal Vm by 2. Then what will we do? This is the Vm by 2. Here clip this signal Vm by 2. Then again start up to Vm. This is a Vm by 2. Means what will we do? It limit the level. Level will be limited up to Vm by 2. Input is the Vm, but we have to add the circuit and we have to limit their amplitude. That is, it clip away a portion of an input signal without distorting the remaining part of the applied waveform. Means here what will we do? Here we have to clip Vm by 2. These are the level. If we require, then above this signal will be clip, which this signal will be removed, and below this portion is not any change. That is saying that clip is a portion of an input signal without distorting the remaining part of the applied signal. It is used to eliminate noise from pulse waveform in digital communication system. Means इसका यूज होता है कहाँ पे? डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन में नॉइज़ को रिमूव करने में. हाउ? दिस इज द चैनल, दिस इज द सिग्नल, एंड हेयर चैनल मीन्स वे हेयर टू signal will be flow one place to another place. Then channel will add the some noise. After the noise added, signal will be get distorted. This is the amplitude level we will be get distorted. Then using this clipper circuit, this noise will be removed. In this way we have to use the clipper circuit. And type of the clipper circuit is here. Type of clipper circuit is shunt clipper and series clipper. Shunt clipper is also two types, series and shunt. Again series clipper is also type, series and shunt. Means clipper is, this is the two type, positive clipper. Here is the positive and negative clipper. Sorry, this is the positive clipper and this is the negative clipper. Again this is two type is positive series clipper and shunt and negative series clipper. Here clipper is two types, shunt clipper and series clipper. Series clipper is also two type. This is the mistake by mistake. This is the positive and negative series clipper. Similarly shunt clipper is also positive shunt and negative shunt clipper. We will see that series clipper. If the diode and resistor are connected in series with the input signal and output is taken across the resistor, then it is known as series clipper. It is also two type. First is positive series clipper and second is negative series clipper. Means series clipper is in that circuit diode and resistor are connected in series. Diode and resistor are connected in series with the input signal and output is taken across the resistor. See that positive series clipper. This is the positive series clipper of the circuit. It clip the positive half part of the input signal. It clip the positive half part of the input signal. Means these are the input signal. These are the input signal. It clip matlab remove. It remove this part, positive part. Then what will we get? This 0 and only get the negative part. means that is no output during the positive half cycle of the input signal. Means these are the positive series clipper. means positive सिग्नल को क्लिप करेगा, मीन्स रिमूव करेगा. Similarly for the negative series clipper, what will be these are the circuit diagram for the negative series clipper. It clip the negative part of the input signal, means these are the input signal, and it clip the negative part. This part will be removed from this, and output will be this. This is known as negative series clipper, means negative part will be removed. How will it working? Positive in the positive cycle, diode in the forward bias, and output voltage will get when negative cycle diode in the reverse bias, and output voltage will be get 0. This is same as half wave rectifier. You can say like as a half wave rectifier. Similarly for the shunt clipper, in that shunt clipper, here resistor and diode are connected in the series with the input signal, and output taken across the diode. Means in the shunt clipper, output will be taken across the diode. This is also two type. First is positive shunt clipper and second is the negative shunt clipper. Positive shunt clipper, it clips the positive half part of the input signal, and that is no output during the positive cycle. This is known as positive shunt clipper. Input signal Vi is the input signal. When input is positive, then diode will be on. Means what will we get? Output will be, suppose this is the resistance, diode will be on, and Vi, then what will be the V0? V0 will be shorted. That means V0 will be 0. That's why V0 will be 0. Similarly, when diode will be reverse bias, means negative and positive. Then what will be this? Then diode will be off. The output will be, you can get output. Output will be V. No current flow. Here is no current flow, means no voltage drop across the resistance. Then V0 equal to Vi in the negative cycle. Means what will be in the negative cycle? Get the same output as the negative cycle. Then again positive cycle, output will be 0. Output will be positive cycle, output 0. Negative cycle, output will be get. This is the positive shunt clipper. Similarly for the negative shunt clipper, it clips the negative part of the input signal. Means negative input का negative part को remove, it will be remove the negative part of the input. These are the negative part. Here remove the negative part in the output signal. Using this circuit is known as negative shunt clipper. Similarly, no output or 0 output during negative cycle. How? Negative cycle be applied the negative cycle, diode will be on. Diode is in the forward bias in the negative cycle. So what will be? This is the on. Then V0 will be, both terminal will be shorted. Then V0 will be 0. That's why in the negative shunt clipper, in the negative cycle, diode will be on. When diode will be on, and we will also getting voltage, calculate output voltage, calculate across the diode. Hence V0 will be 0. Here shunt clipper with VR reference voltage, means if we get the some VR reference voltage, then how will we clip the signal? To perform the clipping at desired level, VR is the reference voltage. This is level of the voltage, where after that where we have to remove that signal. Then this is the circuit diagram for the reference signal. Means we have to remove the signal, we have to remove the output signal with VR. Above VR we have to remove the signal. Means first case, when diode will be on, Diode will be on when anode terminal will be input terminal anode voltage will be greater than the VR reference voltage. Vi is greater than VR, then diode will be forward bias, and diode will be forward bias means diode will be on short circuit. Then output will be equal to, what will be output across this terminal is V naught equal to VR. Similarly Vi is less than VR means input voltage ये डायोड के अक्रॉस इनपुट वोल्टेज ये Vi और Vi 5 वोल्ट means Vi is less than 5 volt means here is 2 volt. Anode Vi anode is 2 volt or cathode is 5 volt means then anode voltage is less than the cathode voltage, then this is diode in the reverse bias means diode will be off, diode will be here off. Then what will be the V naught? V naught equal to Vi, because in this circuit there is no current flow because this is the off. No current flow means across resistance is no voltage drop means all the output voltage will appear same as the input voltage. How will we circuit diagram draw? These are the input signal. Blue color is the input signal and green color is the output signal. Above the VR, output will be 0. Output will be 0. Similarly, above the VR, output will be 0. It means it clap the desired reference value. It clip the desired reference signal. Above the desired reference signal of input will be removed.